It was a day unlike any other in Nnewi. The atmosphere was heavy and the streets were silent. Of security vehicles patrolling every corner. Armed guards stood watch, scanning the crowd with sharp, unwavering eyes. From the gates of the church to the family home, every detail of the burial was shielded under an unprecedented security protocol. This was no ordinary funeral. This was the final farewell to Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Ubah, an illustrious son of Nnewi. The town came to a standstill, not just in mourning but in vigilance. In the wake of earlier threats, the family had spared no effort to ensure the safety of everyone attending. Despite the tension, the people came in their numbers, united by grief and a shared resolve to honor the man who had left an indelible mark on their lives. The journey began at the church, where a solemn service was held in his memory. The pews overflowed with mourners, dignitaries, friends, and family who had come to pay their respects. Their faces told stories of sorrow, but also of gratitude for a man who gave so much to his people. As the convoy moved through the streets, the sheer magnitude of the moment was undeniable. The town stood still, every eye fixed on the procession as it carried the late senator to his final resting place. At his home, where his journey would end, emotions ran high. There, amidst the wails and whispers of prayer, his family, friends, and the entire community bid him a heartfelt farewell. Though dread loomed and the day began with a sense of foreboding, it ended as a testament to the strength of love and legacy. Nnewi proved once again that even in sorrow, he stands tall. Rest in peace, Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Ubah. Your light shines on in the hearts of those who knew and loved you.
What a home, what a full believer. They can't get in the middle. They can't get in the middle. They can't get in the middle. In the